In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks for beauty business. By the end, you'll know how to bring your money in and out of QuickBooks, create invoices for clients, record common beauty business expenses, and check your profit and loss so you always know where you stand. Start by opening QuickBooks in your browser and signing into your QuickBooks Online account. From the main dashboard, you'll see a hub that helps you get things done. This is your home base, and it's where you'll jump into banking, sales, expenses, and reports. If you manage more than one company, make sure you're in the right file before moving on. Next, head to Bank Transactions. This section is essential because it pulls in your real-world banking and card activity so QuickBooks can help you categorize and track it. Think of it as your live feed of what's happening in your business finances. Now click Link Account to connect the account where your customers pay you. This could be your business checking account or the payment service that deposits to it. Follow the prompts to select your bank, sign in securely, and choose the correct accounts. Pick a reasonable start date to avoid pulling in very old transactions you don't plan to review. Once connected, QuickBooks will bring in transactions for you to categorize. Mark sales as income and put them into clear categories like product sales or service income. If you receive tips, use a separate category so you can see them clearly later. From the Create icon, choose Invoice for paid clients. Invoices help you keep a clean record of what you sold and what you charged. Add your client's name, select the service you provided, like a haircut, makeup application, or lash fill, enter the rate, quantity, and any taxes you collect. If the client has already paid, record the payment on the invoice so it shows as paid and matches your bank activity when it comes in. Clear descriptions and professional formatting make your business look polished and reduce questions later. Still, from the Create icon, select Expense to record costs like beauty supplies or rent. Choose the vendor, pick the payment account, and categorize the expense correctly: supplies, rent, utilities, or education if you're taking classes. Add a brief memo and attach a receipt image so you have clean documentation at tax time. Keep business and personal purchases separate to avoid confusion. Finally, open reports and choose profit and loss to track your business. Set a date range, like this month, and review your income and expenses by category. This report shows your bottom line and helps you spot trends like rising supply costs or slower services so you can adjust pricing or promotions. That's it. Connect your accounts, invoice your clients, record expenses, and use profit and loss to stay on top of your beauty business.